Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're discussing on descriptive analysis using SPSS. When we talk about descriptive analysis, we're talking about description. There's no inference, just description. And today, we'll be discussing on the measure of central tendency on SPSS and the measure of dispersion. We have the data sets. This data set is about electrical gadget or electronic gadget owned by people, the color of these gadgets, the age of the respondent, and of course their gender, and many other variables. We have their GPA in school, because this data set was collected from an academic environment. So let's go to the analysis proper. To conduct descriptive analysis, talking about frequency analysis. At first, go to descriptive statistics. After you click analyze, go to descriptive statistics, go to frequencies. Click on frequencies and hold on for it to pop up. Then, when conducting mean, median, and mode, we have some variables there. We have the GPA, let's do that of GPA. We go to statistics, we have mean, we have median, and we have mode. Click continue. Then, of course, this box should be clicked for us to have the frequency tables. Then you click OK. Then on the outputs window, the results will pop up. Okay. On the output window, we see the results here. So we see the mean value for GPA, that the mean value is 3.1125. The median is 3.26. And the mode is 4.0. So we have very close close value between the mean and the median, and the mode is a little farther away. So the mean tells us about the average value, while the median tells us about the median value, and the mode tells us about the value, the variable that the data set that occur most on a given variable. So on this, you'll be able to do what we call the measure of central tendencies on SPSS. Thank you for watching, and our next video we'll be talking about how to go about the measure of dispersion using SPSS. Thank you.